As you know, Boeing 787-9, as you know, it's a Dreamliner. You should check the pitot static port. You should check the condition of the nose wheel. Is no damage. Everything is okay right now. Ice detector, everything is okay. Special check the nacelle and the engine bridge is okay. No damage. And we check the vertical and horizontal stabilizer. Also check the elevator. And also static discharger is good.
So welcome on board on our Dreamliner. Today's flight is 137, non-stop service to Frankfurt. And it's a beautiful day to fly today. After departure, our flight time is 8 hours and 45 minutes. And we'll be cruising at 36,000 feet initially, and then up to flight level 400. So we have around 251 passengers today, and looking forward to flying today with Just Plane's
Pre-flight checklist.
Okay, pre-flight checklist. Oxygen.
Okay, 100% on the left side.
Okay, tested 100% right side. Flight instruments, heading altimeter.
On a hard will be heading 001, QNH 1012.
Okay, heading 360, 001, 001, QNH 1012, 1012. Pre-flight checklist complete.
Okay.
Mongolia 137, pushback and start up with QNH 1012, temperature 11, wind 070 degrees, 3 meters per second.
Check takeoff speeds.
159, 162, V2, 167, cross check.
Check CG pre-flight.
Complete on my left side.
Complete. Taxi and takeoff briefing.
Complete.
Okay, and beacon is on.
Okay.
4-star checklist complete.
Ground cockpit.
Go ahead.
Okay, ready for pushback and engine start, runway 11.
Copy to ground.
Go ahead.
Engine is clear.
Okay, we'll start both engines.
Copy to ground.
Go ahead.
Pushback is complete. Parking brake set.
Parking brake set.
Okay, roger.
Running. Okay, set flaps 5. Okay, left. Full right. Full down. And full up. Okay, full left. Full right. Before taxi checklist.
Before taxi checklist. NTI is auto. Recall checked. Flight controls.
Check it.
Check ground equipment.
So clear on my left side.
Okay, clear right. Gear pins in sight.
Okay.
Okay.
Mongolia 137, taxi to halting point, runway 11 via taxiways Foxtrot and Alpha.
Before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist is complete.
Before takeoff checklist is complete.
Mongolia 137, runway 11, clear for takeoff, wind variable 2 meters per second. After airborne, contact approach 120.0, good day.
Clear for takeoff, runway 11 after departure, contact 120.0, Mongolia 137, thank you, good day.
Okay, taken off.
Just Mongolia 212, continue
Clear
with
for
taxi.
takeoff.
Foxtrot is turn number 1, airport marshal in sight.
Okay, taxi with Foxtrot descent number 1. Report marshal in sight.
Check. Labels. Takeoff thrust is set.
Check.
80 knots.
Check.
Hold.
Check it.
So, morning, Premier 197 heavy, runway 11.
Colonel 197, Tower, good morning. Continue approach runway 11. Expect late landing clearance.
Rotate.
Continue approach runway 11.
Alright.
Gear up. And now engaged.
Checked. Thrust left, VNAV speed.
Check.
Departure Mongolian 137, hello, climbing 1,800.
Mongolian 137, Ulaanbaatar approach, good morning, weather identified. After 6 you turn right, proceed direct to Mike uniform, climb to flight level 9,800 meters for separation.
Copy it, after 6 miles right, turn direct Mike uniform, climb to 9,800, Mongolian 137. Speed checked, flaps 1.
Set flaps up.
Speed check, flaps up.
Autopilot is on.
Checked. Okay, 9,800.
Right turn.
Okay, right hand. Okay, I'll erase this now. Got my
Direct Mike uniform.
1.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff, checklist is complete. Okay, transport transition altitude.
Okay, set standard. Standard set on both sides.
Check flight level 100.
Okay, landing light is off and single chime.
Lights off. Single chime.
Mongolia 137, contact Ulaanbaatar radar 126.0, goodbye.
Contact Ulaanbaatar radar 126.0, Mongolia 137. Thank you, good day, bye bye. Ulaanbaatar radar, Mongolia 137. Good morning, climbing 9,800 meters inbound, Mike uniform.
Mongolia 137, Ulaanbaatar, good morning, radar contact. Initially climb to 9,800 meters.
Climb maintain 9,800 meters, Mongolia 137.
Okay, 9,800 is set.
Checked.
Okay, passing 20,000. Seat belts off.
Mongolia 137, confirm your requesting 10,400 meters.
11,000.
11,000 request.
Okay, request final 1,000 meters, Mongolia 137.
Mongolia 137, roger. Left heading 2904, climb.
Left turn heading 290, Mike Golf Lima 137.
The head select 290 is set.
Checked.
China Eastern 570, change frequency 126.0.
Ulaanbaatar Control, China Eastern 570, maintain 10,100 meters.
China Eastern 570, radar contact, maintain 10,100 meters.
Maintain level China Eastern 570.
Now we're cruising at 11,000 meters with ground speed around 452 miles per hour. Right now flight is smooth, but during flight we'd expect some light to moderate turbulence.
So good afternoon, everybody. Just to go over what we've done today when we departed Ulaanbaatar. So we were basically at gate number 4. So we got clearance to push this way, and then we started our engines around here, and then we taxied along Foxtrot to runway 11, which is on this side. So basically we took this route all the way to Alpha, and you guys saw that traffic that landed in front of us, and then we departed this way. For the departure, it was runway 11, Lupsa 2 Bravo departure. So basically once we took off, we flew for 6 miles, and then ATC cleared us direct to Mike uniform, which is all the way over here. So basically they told us to make a right turn and direct to Mike uniform. Very simple departure. No speed restrictions, no altitude restrictions. Pretty straightforward. So right now we are flying over Russia, specifically in Ural control around Siberia. We just flew past the PMAC. It's a waypoint that the borders between Novosibirsk control and Ural control. So right now we're approaching Bali. Currently we're cruising at an altitude of 380 and our speed is Mach 0.84. Today we have relatively stronger headwinds. The wind is about, if you can see here, it's almost at 300 at 5.8, so around 60 knots. And our ground airspeed is around 435 knots. Shortly we're expected to fly actually enter Samara control. Once that, we'll enter Moscow control and we'll basically overfly Moscow. So if the clouds allow, then we will have a pretty good view from above. One unique thing about today's flight, as you can see, is we're flying over Russia. So due to the circumstances these days, it's pretty unusual. Most airlines are flying around Russia, but there's a couple of airlines that are flying in Russia, including ours. So this saves us plenty of fuel. If we were to fly from Ulaanbaatar through the southern routes, it would take us approximately an hour and a half or 2 hours more than usual. So right now we are able to save lots of fuel by flying through this route.